Spill, spill. I spilled coffee on my shirt. She spilled water on the table. Spill over, spill over. The tea spilled over the edge of the cup. The milk spilled over the top of the glass. Drop, drop. I dropped my phone by mistake. She dropped the mic on the ground. Tear, tear. I tore my shirt on a nail. He tore the paper by mistake. Stain, stain. I stained my shirt with sauce. She stained the carpet with tea. Scratch, scratch. My son scratched the car with the key. I accidentally scratched the screen. Dent, dent. I dented the car door. I dented the can by dropping it. Rip, rip. I ripped my shirt on the fence. My jeans ripped when I bent down. Break, break. I broke my phone screen by dropping it. She broke the cup while washing it. Leak, leak. The tap is leaking. The bottle leaked in my bag. Slip, slip. I slipped on the wet floor. The glass slipped from my hand. Fall, fall. I fell on the stairs. She almost fell off the bed. Get wet, get wet. We got wet in the rain. My shoes got wet in the puddle. Catch a cold, catch a cold. I caught a cold after getting wet. She caught a cold after the rain. Get a headache. Get a headache. I got a headache from loud music. He got a headache after screen time. Feel dizzy. Feel dizzy. I felt dizzy after the ride. He felt dizzy in the heat. Choke. Choke. He choked on a piece of food. She almost choked while drinking water. Be stuck. Be stuck. We were stuck in traffic for hours. My car got stuck in the mud. Get a flat tire. Get a flat tire. I got a flat tire on my way to work. He got a flat tire after hitting a nail. Die. Die. My phone died during the call. My battery is dying. I need to charge it. Freeze. Freeze. My phone froze while opening the app. The video froze during the call. Crash. Crash. My phone crashed and restarted by itself. The app crashed while loading. Forget. Forget. I forgot my wallet at home. She forgot her keys inside. Lose. Lose. I lost my earphones again. He lost his ID card. Miss. Miss. I missed the bus this morning. He missed the first part of the movie. Be late. Be late. I was late for the meeting. She was late for class again.